clasp your wrist behind your back. On an inhale, lengthen your spine. Then exhale, tilt your head toward your wrist. Option here to lift and lower your gaze from your ceiling corner to the floor. Notice any sensations of ease. Release the clasp and use the bottom hand to assist lifting your head back to center. Take a moment to notice any differences in sensation between the two sides of your neck. And switching sides, clasp the opposite wrist behind your back. Another option is to clasp the back of the chair. As you're ready, tilt your head toward the clasped wrist. And again, try exploring slow movement by drawing a diagonal line with your eyes from the ceiling corner to the floor. Noticing any sensations along the way. Release the wrist and use the bottom hand to lift your head back to center. What do you notice? You may want to roll your shoulders. Now place your fingertips to your shoulders and begin making circles. Make it your own. It doesn't have to look a certain way. Now try circling in opposite directions. One goes forward and the other goes backward. If it feels tricky, that's good. Remember, this is good for our brain. And switch directions. And release and shake it out. And brush it off. Shaking and brushing are good for our skin and the fascia. Now rub your palms together using friction to create heat. Place your hands on or in front of your eyes. Notice 2 or 3 cycles of breath. Slowly release your hands and notice any lingering sensations.